In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch between new and classic email builders in Mailchimp. If you prefer a different editing experience when creating emails, Mailchimp gives you the option to choose between the newer builder and the classic or legacy builder. This setting can be helpful if you are more comfortable with one layout over the other, or if you are following a workflow that works better in a specific version. The good news is that changing this preference only takes a moment. To get started, log into your Mailchimp account and wait for the main dashboard to load completely. Once you are in, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This will open a menu with account-related options. From that menu, select Account and Billing. This will take you to the area where you can manage important settings tied to your account. After the page opens, look for the Settings drop-down menu, click it, and then choose Details. This section contains several account preferences, so you may need to scroll a little to find the exact option you need. Keep scrolling until you reach the default email builder section. This is where Mailchimp lets you decide which builder should open by default when you create email content. You will see the available options for the new builder and the legacy builder. Which is the classic version? Click the option you want to use as your default. If you want the more updated experience, choose New Builder. If you prefer the older, familiar interface, choose Legacy Builder instead. As soon as you make your selection, Mailchimp should save the preference automatically. To make sure the change has been applied, look for a check mark next to the builder you selected. That check mark confirms that your new default email builder has been saved successfully. If you don't see it right away, give the page a second and double-check that you clicked the correct option. And that's all there is to it. Switching between the new and classic email builders in Mailchimp is a simple setting adjustment. But it can make a big difference in how comfortable and efficient your email creation process feels. If you ever want to switch back, just return to the same section and select the other builder. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.